each and every one. Another enchanting event in the life of our birthday celebration that is coupled with a much more exciting program. Because for tonight, we're going to witness and celebrate the 7th joyous birthday celebration of our dear, of our adorable birthday celebrant, no other than Alisa Kayla Isarani. By the way, my name is Stan Santos, and I will be your host on this amazing occasion. And I'm welcome here in the Apple Residence here in Jufair. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please help me to welcome the Isarani family, together with Papa Raja, Mami Shen, Ate Aliyah, and our adorable birthday celebrant herself, Alisa Kayla. The Isarani family on the grand entrance. Let's give them a big round of applause. What a beautiful family we have here for tonight, the Isarani family! Together with Ate, our Papa Raja, Mami Shen, Ate Aliyah, and our adorable birthday celebrant, Alisa. Happy birthday to you, come on, happy birthday to you, oh yeah, happy birthday to you. Guys, a little here, dinner time, and blow it so. Alright, let's sing all together, happy birthday, Alisa, come on. Let's give a round of applause for Papa Raja. What will be your wish for your mother?
Thankful you're coming to our life, and I'm very happy for you in what you have done. I hope just be always a good boy and be always here for you, whatever what you have. And very happy birthday to you. I love you, anak. Thank you.
Let's give a round of applause naman po. How about for Mami Shen? What will be your message for your daughter?
Alisa, happy 7th birthday. My wish for you is always be a good girl. Okay, and mommy love you so much. You know that I love you so much, and I will give everything. Okay, we will always be here to support you. Love you. Nice friends, family, thank you for coming to Alisa birthday. Thank you for in my love.
Hindi, I'm happy for you. I'm proud of you. Happy 7th birthday. Kasi lagi niya pinupuko yung mukha ko. Hindi ka nakalagay.
I wish you have a good day in your birthday.
And that's when
I'm wishing you a fantastic birthday filled with love and happy. Thank you.
I will give prize for the best answer. Ladies and gentlemen, before we officially close our program, we will listen to the word of thanks and gratitude from the proud and loving parents of Alisa. May have Daddy or Papa Raja take a message.
Good evening everybody. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Salamat po sa dumalong birthday ng anak ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At ako po'y taos ng puso. Nagpapasalamat. Nag-enjoy mga bata at
testimonial regarding to Wednesday.
Kay Stanley, maraming salamat sa support ng mga bata. At sana sa susunod, lalo ay ang ating pag-host na Inshallah, maraming salamat po sa iyo.
Salamat po, magtutukan tayo. Abot pa naman, Michelle.
Thank you. Ikaw nagpasalamat ko ni Elisa. And I will recommend to everyone. Masaya. Thank you so much. And sa ulitin. Thank you.